The Earth is home to countless species of plants and animals, but many are disappearing due to human activities. In this video, we will take a look at some of these creatures that may soon be extinct. We will explore the reasons behind their endangerment and the efforts being made to protect them. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever existed on our planet. It is also the largest living creature, reaching lengths of up to 33 meters and weighing in at over 190 tons. These massive mammals inhabit all oceans and feed primarily on krill. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are surprisingly graceful and can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. However, these majestic creatures are currently classified as endangered, with an estimated 10,000 to 25,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Blue whales are threatened by a number of factors, including habitat loss, ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, and noise pollution. To protect blue whales, various measures have been taken, such as establishing marine protected areas, reducing underwater noise, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. One organization, the Blue Whale Institute, is dedicated to studying and conserving blue whales through research, education, and advocacy. Their work has led to significant improvements in the species' status and offers hope for its recovery. Giant panda. The giant panda is an iconic species native to the mountainous regions of China. Known for its distinctive black and white fur, it is a symbol of cuteness and is loved by people around the world. Pandas typically weigh between 110 and 275 pounds and measure 1.5 to 2.5 meters in length. They have a specialized diet consisting mainly of bamboo, which they consume in large quantities daily. Despite their adorable appearance, pandas are actually classified as endangered species. Habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change, as well as low reproductive rates, have contributed to their precarious status. However, conservation efforts have been successful in increasing their numbers in recent years. Initiatives such as habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and public awareness campaigns have helped to protect pandas from extinction. One notable organization, the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, has played a crucial role in panda conservation. Through its programs in China, WWF has helped to create a network of protected areas where pandas can thrive. The giant panda is not only a remarkable species, but also an important part of China's cultural heritage. Its survival is a testament to the effectiveness of conservation efforts and a reminder of the importance of protecting biodiversity. Tiger. Tigers are among the most recognizable and revered animals in the world. These powerful predators are known for their distinctive orange and black striped coats, which serve as camouflage in their natural habitat. There are several different species of tigers, each adapted to its specific environment. For example, Siberian tigers have thicker fur to withstand cold climates, while Bengal tigers have thinner coats for warmer regions. Despite their strength and agility, tigers are currently facing numerous threats. Poachers often target them for their body parts used in traditional medicine, and their habitats are frequently destroyed due to human activities. As a result, many tiger populations have declined significantly in recent decades. To protect tigers from extinction, various organizations such as the Wildlife Conservation Society, WCS, have been working to combat poaching, promote sustainable land use, and raise public awareness about their plight. Conservation efforts have seen some success, but tigers remain vulnerable, and continued protection is essential to ensure their survival. Tigers play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems, and their disappearance would have far-reaching consequences. Sumatran orangutan. The Sumatran orangutan is a critically endangered species of great ape found only on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. These intelligent creatures are known for their reddish-brown hair and long arms, which they use to swing effortlessly through the trees. Sumatran orangutans have a varied diet consisting of fruits, leaves, bark, and insects. They are highly adaptable and can live in both lowland forests and mountainous regions. However, these apes face a number of threats, including habitat loss due to deforestation and the illegal pet trade. As a result, The population of Sumatran orangutans has declined dramatically in recent years. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these animals and their habitat, including reforestation projects and public education campaigns. One organization, the Orangutan Foundation, works to rescue and rehabilitate orphaned orangutans and release them back into the wild. The foundation also works to prevent forest degradation and promote sustainable agriculture in orangutan habitat. Saving the Sumatran orangutan is crucial not only for the species' survival, but also for the health of the Sumatran ecosystem. Black rhinoceros. The black rhinoceros is one of the two extant species of rhinoceros in Africa, the other being the white rhinoceros. These large herbivores are known for their distinctive hooked upper lip, which they use to grasp vegetation, and their thick gray skin, which provides protection from the sun and insect bites. Despite their imposing size, black rhinos are surprisingly agile and can run up to 56 kilometers per hour. Unfortunately, these magnificent creatures are currently classified as critically endangered. Poachers often target them for their horns, which are highly valued in some cultures for their supposed medicinal properties. Additionally, habitat loss due to human encroachment has put pressure on rhino populations. To protect black rhinos from extinction, conservation efforts have been implemented, including anti-poaching patrols, the establishment of protected areas, and community-based conservation programs. Organizations like the International Rhino Foundation, IRF, are working to save the black rhinoceros from extinction. The IRF supports conservation efforts in various countries where black rhinos are found and also raises public awareness about the species' plight. Philippine eagle. The Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle, is a critically endangered bird of prey native to the Philippines. These majestic raptors have a wingspan of up to 2 meters and are known for their striking appearance, which includes a white neck, a blue-gray back, and a brown head. Philippine eagles typically feed on monkeys, but their diet also includes other small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Despite their impressive stature, Philippine eagles are facing numerous threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation and hunting for their feathers and body parts used in traditional medicine have contributed to their decline. To protect this iconic species, conservation efforts have been undertaken, such as strengthening law enforcement to combat illegal hunting, restoring degraded habitats, and raising captive-bred eagles for reintroduction into the wild. The Philippine eagle is a symbol of the Philippines' rich biodiversity, and its protection is a national priority. Kakapo parrot. The kakapo is a flightless parrot found only in New Zealand. This critically endangered bird is known for its green plumage, white face, and black beak. Kakapos typically weigh between 1.6 and 4 kilograms and are the heaviest parrots in the world. Despite their size, kakapos are surprisingly agile climbers and are adept at escaping predators. However, they are threatened by a number of factors, including habitat destruction, introduced predators such as cats and dogs, and low reproductive rates. Conservation efforts have focused on protecting and restoring kakapo habitat, controlling invasive species, and providing supplementary feeding. One organization, the Kakapo Recovery Team, is dedicated to saving the kakapo from extinction. Through intensive conservation efforts, the number of kakapo has increased from just 5 individuals in the 1990s to over 150 today. Hawksbill sea turtle. The hawksbill sea turtle is a critically endangered species of sea turtle known for its distinctive beak-like shape and pointed carapace. These turtles typically reach a maximum size of 1 meter in length and are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. Hawksbill sea turtles have a varied diet, feeding on sponges, jellyfish, seagrass, and algae. Despite their beauty and ecological importance, hawksbill sea turtles are facing numerous threats. Coastal development, pollution, and the pet trade have all contributed to their decline. Additionally, many turtles become entangled in discarded fishing nets or ingest plastic waste, which can cause injury or death. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting nesting beaches, reducing pollution, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. One organization, the Sea Turtle Conservancy, works to conserve sea turtle populations and their habitats through research, education, and advocacy. By supporting these efforts, we can help ensure that future generations will be able to enjoy the sight of these magnificent creatures swimming in our oceans. Lemur leaf frog. The lemur leaf frog is a critically endangered species of frog found only in the island nation of Madagascar. These small frogs are known for their bright green color and distinctive leaf-like shape, which helps them camouflage in their natural habitat. Despite their unique appearance, very little is known about the lemur leaf frog's behavior and ecology. However, they are believed to play an important role in their ecosystem as both predator and prey. Unfortunately, this frog is facing a number of threats, including habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change, as well as the pet trade. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the lemur leaf frog and its habitat, such as establishing protected areas and promoting sustainable land use practices. One organization, the Madagascar Biodiversity Fund, supports community-based conservation initiatives in Madagascar, including the protection of lemur leaf frog habitat. Giant clam. The giant clam is a species of saltwater clam that can grow to enormous sizes, reaching lengths of up to 1.2 meters and weighing over 200 kilograms. These clams are found in the shallow coastal waters of the Pacific Ocean, where they filter feed on plankton and other organic matter. Despite their size and longevity, giant clams are currently classified as endangered. Overfishing for the aquarium trade and habitat destruction due to coastal development have contributed to their decline. To protect giant clams, conservation efforts have been implemented, including the establishment of marine protected areas and the promotion of sustainable fishing practices. One organization, the Coral Reef Alliance, Coral, works to protect coral reef ecosystems, which are home to giant clams. Through its programs, Coral helps to restore degraded coral reefs and promotes sustainable tourism and fisheries management. Saola. The saola is a rare and elusive mammal that is found in the mountains of Vietnam and Laos. This medium-sized ungulate has a distinctive pair of horns on its head, which are more prominent in males than females. Despite its elusive nature, the saola is considered to be an indicator species, meaning that its presence or absence can indicate the overall health of an ecosystem. Unfortunately, this species is currently listed as critically endangered. Habitat loss due to deforestation and hunting for its meat and hide have contributed to its decline. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting and restoring saola habitat, as well as raising public awareness about the species' importance. One organization, the Saola Working Group, is dedicated to the conservation of the saola. Through its network of partners in Vietnam and Laos, the working group conducts research, implements conservation measures, and promotes community engagement. Amur leopard. The Amur leopard is a critically endangered species of leopard found in the Russian Far East and northeastern China. These solitary hunters have thick, luxurious fur that helps them survive in cold climates. Despite their elusive nature, Amur leopards are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss due to deforestation and poaching for their fur. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting and restoring Amur leopard habitat, as well as combating poaching and promoting sustainable land use practices. One organization, the Amur Leopard and Tiger Alliance, ALTA, works to conserve these magnificent creatures through on-the-ground initiatives, research, and public education. By supporting ALTA and similar organizations, we can help ensure that the Amur leopard continues to roam the forests of the Russian Far East and northeastern China for generations to come. Mountain gorilla. The mountain gorilla is a critically endangered species of gorilla that lives in the mountainous forests of Central Africa. These gentle giants are known for their intelligence, strength, and social complexity. Despite their imposing size, mountain gorillas are herbivores and spend their days looking for food, which consists mainly of leaves, stems, and fruit. However, these magnificent creatures face numerous threats, including habitat loss due to deforestation and poaching. Additionally, disease outbreaks can have devastating impacts on the small and isolated mountain gorilla population. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting and restoring mountain gorilla habitat, combating poaching, and providing veterinary care. One organization, the D.N. Fossey Gorilla Fund, works to protect mountain gorillas and their habitat through research, conservation, and education. By supporting organizations like the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund, we can help ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to marvel at these incredible animals in their natural habitat. Yangtze finless porpoise. The Yangtze finless porpoise is a critically endangered freshwater dolphin found in the Yangtze River in China. These dolphins are known for their distinctive rounded head and lack of a dorsal fin. Despite their small size, typically reaching lengths of just 1.5 meters, finless porpoises are highly agile and can swim at speeds of up to 24 kilometers per hour. Unfortunately, these dolphins face numerous threats, including habitat loss due to dam construction and water pollution, as well as entanglement in fishing nets. Conservation efforts are focused on reducing threats to the Yangtze finless porpoise, such as improving water quality and reducing bycatch in fisheries. One organization, the WWF China, works to protect the Yangtze finless porpoise and its habitat through research, education, and advocacy. Vaquita porpoise. The vaquita porpoise is a critically endangered species of porpoise found only in the northern Gulf of California. These small marine mammals typically reach lengths of 1.7 meters and are known for their distinctive dark gray color and white patches on their sides. Vaquita porpoises feed primarily on fish and squid, which they capture using echolocation and their sharp teeth. Unfortunately, these charming creatures face a grave threat, with only an estimated 10 individuals remaining in the wild. The primary cause of their decline is entanglement in fishing nets, which has resulted in injuries and deaths. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting and restoring vaquita habitat and reducing bycatch in fisheries. One organization, the International Committee for the Recovery of the Vaquita, brings together government agencies, researchers, and conservation groups to implement measures aimed at saving the vaquita from extinction. In conclusion, there are many animals that are at risk of becoming extinct. These animals are threatened by a variety of factors, including habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. It is important to be aware of the threats that these animals face and to support efforts to protect them. By working together, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive on our planet for generations to come. Let us know in the comments section below, which animal did you find the most interesting? And what do you think we can do to help protect these animals and their habitats? I appreciate your thoughts and look forward to seeing you in the next video.